What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can find your Instagram profile URL link on your Instagram. So let's jump into the video. What you have to do, first you have to open up your Instagram account, then you have to go to your profile. So after going to your profile, you have to click on this edit profile icon here. Then you will find your username and name. So what you need to do, you have to click on username and you have to copy your username from here. So after copying your username, you have to go back to home. Then you have to open up your Chrome browser. Please guys, make sure you watch the full video and follow every steps that I'm going to show you. So after doing so, you have to click on search. Then you have to type instagram.com slash. After the slash, you have to paste the username you just copied. So in case you don't miss any letters or you don't put your username incorrectly, that's why I suggest you to copy your username from your profile. So after typing that, you have to click on go. Then you will find your account from here. So to copy your profile link, you have to click on search option. Then you have to click on copy. Then your Instagram profile link will be copied on your clipboard. Then you can paste it or send it to anywhere or anyone. So this is how you can copy your profile link on your username. So this is how you copy your profile link on Instagram. I hope you find this video helpful guys. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.